A developer of state-of-the-art infrared heaters has teamed up with the Spokane manufacturers to create a product that could benefit you, especially this winter.
Oh yeah, Derek Dice explains the partnership between Prestlyl USA and Ecolite Manufacturing. It's our latest edition of Made in the Northwest.
Ecolite Manufacturing has been around for over 40 years.
Our mainstay products are commercial lighting and heating and HVAC.
But about 3 years ago, Prestlyl USA approached them about creating a very different kind of product.
It's just been a perfect synergy, if you will.
And that synergy comes from producing infrared energy in these heating panels, which are just a ½ inch thick and can hang on your wall or ceiling.
It's very versatile. It's lightweight. It's safe. It's it's got a lot of applications that could solve a lot of problems.
And they're all made in Ecolite, where the aluminum is run through a turret machine, is formed on these presses, and runs through a high-temperature wash before being painted, then cured in this oven at 400 degrees, and put together in the assembly area.
This is basically just a resistance heater. So you're getting your positive power through one side, your neutral power through the other side, and it causes resistance. Just like your old school under your desk heater.
Yeah. The key is in this film inside the panel, which brings electricity in and sends energy out.
The heat dispersed evenly throughout the whole entire piece of film. So it's very safe.
Here's how it works. The panels emit far infrared radiation into the walls, floors, furniture, and even the people in the room.
The environment stores the energy, and then hours later it's still emitting and reflecting heat back into the space. So you start to just turn the thermostat down because you feel an overall warmth, a saturation of warmth, instead of just a direct blast of air.
They call it zone heating, and it's also energy efficient. Prestlyl says you can save 15 to 50% over traditional heating methods, and their customers claim the heating panels even make them feel better.
They can move around a little bit better. Their arthritis isn't bothering them as much because the body is actually absorbing some of the far infrared.
But as great as the technology behind Prestyl's infrared panels is, you probably don't want a big blank panel like this hanging on your wall. Well, enter designer decals, also here in Spokane, which can make it a lot more aesthetically pleasing.
Right now, Prestlyl has about 250 different images available, but you can also buy a panel with your own custom photo.
So if you want to put a picture of your family or your honeymoon spot or your vacation spot or just a piece of artwork that you really like, you can have it printed on your panel too.
Their heating panels are already in passenger trains in Europe. They're close to putting them in electric buses in Canada, and they're even a hit in hot yoga studios,
where they lower them down to about 8 feet and fill the room full of panels and do yoga and sweat.
And maybe the best evidence the panels really work is that the guy who makes them at Ecolite has them in his own home.
It's great. The one I have has a picture on it. It hangs on the wall, looks decorative, still get heat, reduces energy cost.
And that's that perfect synergy between manufacturer and contractor. For Made in the Northwest, I'm Derek Dice, KXOY 4 HD News.
Derek, thanks so much. You can go to KXOY.com, click on the Spotlight tab to watch more of Derek's Made in the Northwest feature. Stay with us. We'll be right back.